Look at that pace from the Congolese father. Steady, controlled. Timer climbing past 100. Here's the Ghanaian, glasses fogging up, but he's keeping rhythm.
And now the Nigerian in green. Oh my word, that's a blur. His timer's racing.
600, 700. He's not slowing down.
They're off. And look at that speed from the Congolese contender. Tongue moving like a hummingbird. Timer already in the 300.
Incredible control. You can see the cheeks vibrating, but keep an eye on lane 5. Ghana's Ekau Mensah pushing
here
hard.
Comes Nigeria's
785. That tongue is a blur.
And they're off. Look at that focus from Mbuye from Congo. Tongue speed already climbing past 3 per second. You can hear the flutter in the mic. Listen to that. Now the Ghanaian veteran Kwaku in the Kente clock. Intense, steady. He's in the zone. But look at Adewale Okoye.
And we're off. Look at the focus on Congo's Mboyo. Tongue like a sewing machine. Numbers climbing fast.
Ghana's Ofori matching him stride for stride. That timer's screaming.
But here comes Nigeria's Adewale. Oh my word, the speed.
Past 900 hertz. He's leaving the rest behind.